privilege. And the fact that we don't have college degrees means that we're too stupid to understand how important it is. It's understandable that women might not have degrees. Understandable that African Americans might not have degrees because people like you and me, we're standing in their way with white supremacy and privilege and all that, you see. Do not discount this. This is how these people look at us. So, number one problem Biden faces, indications that Trump's base, white people without college degrees, is more energized and more committed to voting this year. How many of you are hearing that for the first time? How many of you believe that it's the Biden voter that can't wait to go, that it's Democrats, not Biden? Biden doesn't have a connection, but the Democrats, oh, they hate Trump so much. They're so fed up with Trump, Mr. Orange Man, they can't stand it anymore. They're the ones can't wait to land to vote. And yet, Mr. Edsall says, no, that's not true. It's the Republicans that have more enthusiasm. And there's no question in my mind that that's true. You know why? For 4 years, the people who elected Donald Trump have had to listen to this drivel. And you know what it all is. He's not qualified. His voters are stupid idiots, racists and bigots and all that. And they're fed up with it. They're fed up with the attempts to run him out of office. They're fed up with all the scandals that have been perpetrated. They're fed up with Russia this, Russia that. They're fed up of hearing Biden's got the thing sewn up. They're tired of hearing Biden in a landslide like Hillary. They can't wait to go out there and prove every damn one of you in the media wrong again. At the same time, they can't wait to go out there and save their country. And they really believe that that's what Donald Trump is. Donald Trump will save this country from the American left. That equals enthusiasm. Okay, the second of these 5 reasons that Biden should be worried, Latinos. Latinos are the key to the outcome in several crucial states, Arizona and Florida, for example. They have shown less support for Biden than for past Democrat nominees. Many Hispanic voters seem resistant to any campaign that defines them as people of color. Did you know that? Did you know that Hispanics don't like being